So this is now a table we want also to discuss. We are given a type of family, which is nuclear family, polygamous family, extended family, one parent family, child-headed. What is the definition? A family with two parents, a mother and a father and their children, ndio nuclear family. A family with one father, many wives and their children, polygamous family. A family that includes other relatives like grandparents, aunts, uncles and cousins, extended family. One parent raising their child or children alone, one parent family. Siblings looking after themselves, child-headed family. What are the characteristics? A nuclear family is small and close. We only have a father and mother and maybe 5 children. So it's small and it's close. Common in many Christian families because Christianity generally teaches a monogamous nuclear family, focuses on the immediate family. The characteristics of a polygamous family, it's a big family. Baba vane vakadzi vakawanda, saka tinana mai guru nana mai nini na amai vedu. Common in African indigenous communities, kumisha ndo kwazvinowanzo kuitwa. Then an extended family, this is a strong family with strong family ties and support. Since we have vana sekuru, vana mbuya, vana vazukuru, vana mai nini, vana bamkuru, bamnini, mai guru, it's strong and common in many cultures around the world. One parent family sometimes face challenges like financial strain because it's only one parent and they might be strained financially. Vanenge vasina mari yakakwana yerent, yechikafu, yekuenda kuchikoro, kuendesa vana kuchikoro. Children may also take on more responsibility and become more independent at a younger age. Pamwe vana vanobva vatotanga kutoenda kubasa vachishanda kuitira kuti pamba pave nechikafu. The parent may face financial stress without the shared support of another adult in the home. One child-headed family, many end up facing financial challenges. Mari tinoiwana kupi? That will be the issue. What are the responsibilities? In a nuclear family, parents are primarily responsible for their children. Vana vanochengetwa nekurerwa navabereki. Polygamous family, parents are primarily responsible for their children. Extended family, responsibilities are shared among family members. So if it is an extended family, parikugara vanhu vakawanda vane ukama, responsibilities are going to be shared. Then one parent family, available mother or father is responsible for their children. Then lastly, child-headed family, normally the older sibling, kana paina sisi vahombe kana kuti mukoma vahombe, ndo vanenge vakuchengeta vaning'ina vavo, is the one taking care of other siblings. So we have done a summary which was comparing different types of families. There's an activity here in pairs. Saka neshamwari dzako, discuss the differences in parenting styles between polygamous family and nuclear family. Give feedback to the class. Saka kana makutamba paya yamumbota ko zvakambosiyana chiko zvatakadzidza kuchikoro, polygamous family ne monogamous family kana kuti nuclear family, musiyano uri papi muchitamba yenyu muchifara muchitodzidza. Saka ngatibatsiranei exercise 1.4. Who is found in a nuclear family? Saka tine ma parents and children ndo vanenge vari nuclear family. Zvobva zvanzi pa number 2. Give 3 differences in terms of roles between a one parent and a nuclear family. So what are the differences? Musiyano uripo pama roles a one parent in a nuclear family. Saka nuclear family tinoona the father and the mother, they share the responsibility of taking care of their children. But in a one-parent family, only the single parent, will be taking care of the children. Saka, you have to think along those lines. Those are what I've said is the main difference between the roles a one-parent play and a nuclear family play. Let us discuss number 3. What are the main differences in family support structures between extended families and child-headed families? So extended families, relatives share the responsibility of taking care of each other. Saka sekuru ava vanobuda voenda uko vodzoka nehuku, mbuya ava vobuda voenda vonosakura voya nehupfu. They are sharing responsibilities. Whereas in a child-headed family, usually the older sibling will be carrying the full responsibility of taking care of the family. Sisi vahombe, mukoma vahombe ndo vega vanenge vachitambura kuti chikafu vochiwana kupi, vachita maricho, vachipemha, vachiita zvakasiyana siyana kuti vaning'ina vararame. Number 4, list the challenges faced by one-parent families compared to nuclear families. Kazhinji kacho ma-financial problems. Kana tichiti financial problems, tukureva ma-problems anechekuita nemari. Ma-problems ayanenge achiti mari yerent nchawana kupi, ko mari ye-school fees, ko mari yehembe, ko mari yechikafu. Saka kana mubereki ari umwe chete in a one-parent family, anogona kuremerwa nekwekuwana mari yekuriritira vana. Kazhinji kacho kana vana vatori vakawanda. So we have to list the challenges faced by one-parent families compared to nuclear families. So just to sum up, key points in this unit: there are different types of families. Some families are headed by children, while others are headed by single or both parents. A family may have children or not, very important, but it still remains a normal family kunyangwe pasina vana. Saka pamwe havana vana nokuti havasati vadecide kuita vana, pamwe havana vana because of my medical complications. It remains a normal family even without children. They can also adopt children. We are going to learn about adoption in later grades. Each family member has responsibilities. The father has responsibilities. The mother has responsibilities. The children have responsibilities. Iyewe unema responsibilities, duties which you should do. Saka tichipedza apa, let us just discuss these short multiple choice questions unit revision exercise. Zviri kunzi, a dash family is a traditional family. Saka a polygamous family ndiyo traditional family. Polygamous family, murume mumwe chete anoita vakadzi vakawanda. Zvinowanzokuwanikwa kumamisha kunenge kuchipracticewa ma-traditions edu evanhu vatema. Saka answer apo inenge iri chi? Inenge iri B. Number 2, which one of the following is not, tofunga kucherechedza kuti zvanzi not, a responsibility of a child in the family? Sweeping the yard, irresponsibility yevana family. Washing socks, responsibility yevana family. Watering the garden, responsibility yevana family. But D, haisi responsibility yevana. Children shouldn't be providing shelter for the family. It is the duty of the parents, mother and father, to provide shelter, that is a home, a house for the family. So answer apo inenge iri D. Number 3, children should be trained other responsibilities in case the parents A are rich, B are poor, C get sick, D are lazy. The most correct answer is C. Children should be trained other responsibilities in case their parents are sick. Saka kana amai vasirunzwa zvakanaka, kana vana vakadzidziswa kuti vanobika sei sadza, vanogona kutobika sadza vakapa amai vakadya. So children have to be trained these responsibilities so that they can help the parents when they are sick. Number 4, The other child in a dash family takes care of the younger siblings. Saka the older child in a child-headed family takes care of younger siblings. Sizvatataura kuti mukoma muhombe sisi vahombe ndo vanenge vakuriritira vaneng'ina vavo kana iri a child-headed family. Number 5, in a dash family, the man marries more than one wife. In a polygamous family, the man marries more than one wife. Answer inenge A. Mu monogamous family, the man marries one wife. Mu nuclear family, the man marries one wife, then a single parent. It's a case where only one parent is taking care of the family. Let us also discuss. Saka aya questions mufunga kurovedzera vana kuti vamaite kana kuri kuti munoshandisa bhuku iri kudzidzisa vana venyu. Number 1, how many parents raise children in a single parent family? It's only one parent. Ndo inenge answer pano munoinyorawo yakazara. One parent raises children in a single parent family. Girls and dash should do chores at home. Girls and boys. Vakomana vasikana munofanirwa kuita mabasa pamba, majuti pamba. A single parent can be a mother or a father. Saka vanogona kuva mai, vanogona kuva baba zvakare. Who takes responsibility in a child-headed family? The older sibling, sisi vahombe kana kuti mukoma vahombe ndo vanotora responsibility in a child-headed family. Saka it's older sibling. How many wives are found in a polygamous family? Many. Kana kuti mogona kungoti more than one. Saka it's more than one wife in a polygamous family. Zvatadai so tasakura tazunza. In our next lesson tichasangana tichiita roles of the family. Thank you.